everyone, my name is Priya and I welcome all of you to the session. In this session, we will be discussing about joins in SQL. So this joins topic I'm going to divide into two parts. So in part 1, means in this session, we will be discussing about what exactly this join is. What are the different types of joins are there? How this joins works internally, okay? So once we cover all these points, then in part 2 we are going to solve the different problems based on this joins topic. So basically part 1 is all about different types of joins, how they works, and part 2 is all about problem solving session based on this joins topic. Okay, so like that in two parts we are going to cover this entire joins topic. Okay, so now let's get start with these joins and let's understand why joins are required within our query. Okay. So I'm going to consider one simple example. As you can check over here, I have displayed one department table in which department ID and department name is present. This department ID is primary key, means all values are unique. Do remember this, okay? So I have one more table, employee table, in which all the data related with employee is present, okay? As you can check, employee ID, employee name, department ID. So basically this department ID is foreign key. And where is primary key? Here in department table. So you can check all the department IDs which are present in employee table. They are the part of your department table. Okay. So here you can consider this department ID is foreign key which is referring towards department ID of your department table. Okay. So yes, like this we have two different departments. Now if I ask you one question, listen carefully and you have to tell me the answer. If I ask you to write one query to display employee name and their respective department IDs, how you will write the query? You will write the query like this, right? Select employee name, comma, department ID from which table? Employee table. That's all. Simple query, right? If you run this code, see in the result set, I got employee name and their respective department ID. So when you are displaying the columns from one single table, yes, you already have learned how to write the query for this. But now if I ask you the question like this, listen carefully again. Write a query to display employee name and their respective department names I want. What I want to display in the result set? Employee names and their respective department names I want to display. So now if you carefully observe, employee name is present in employee table. Department name is present in department table. So basically I want to combine columns from two different tables. Now the question is how to combine the columns from two different tables. That is where your joins comes into the picture, which allows you to combine the columns from two or more different tables and displaying output over here. So we are going to learn how we can write the query like this. So in this query, I already have used joins just to show you what exactly my expected query result. So this is my expected query result. This is employee name and this is department name. As you can check, employee name Alice, working in HR department. If you check employee table, yes, Alice department ID is 10. And for department ID 10, what is the department name? HR. So in this way, we have combined the columns between two different tables. One is employee, next is department, and we displayed this query result. Okay. So like that, you will be having multiple tables. And to write the query, you need to combine multiple tables. You have to perform joins between multiple tables. So in part 2, soon we'll start discussing how we can use the different types of joins to join multiple tables. But first, let's explore different types of joins and let's understand how they works. Okay. So I hope I'm clear with what is join. Okay. So in interviews, if they ask you, define joins in SQL, how you will define? Joins is the process of, or join is the process of combining columns from two or more tables. That's all. Okay. So later they will ask you explain the different types of joins. So let's explore each type of join one by one. Okay. So let me start with the first type. So first type of join which we are going to explore is equijoin. We have a different types like equijoin, inner join, left join, right join, full join, self join. Multiple types are there. Don't get panic. Step by step, one by one, we will explore. Okay. So this is your question you can assume. Okay. You have to write a query to perform equijoin on table 1 and table 2 where table 1's column B is equal to table 2's column B. Now, what exactly this question is, and it is talking about equijoin. See, as I have told, joins can be performed between two or more than two tables, correct? So, these are the two tables. Table 1, this is the name of table, table 1. Next is table 2, this is the name of table. Okay. Joins will be performed between two tables based on common columns. So they are saying you perform equijoin between table 1 and table 2. And what are the common columns between these two tables? B. So table is nothing but object only. So table 1 dot B column we have to compare with table 2 dot B. So basically I want to join these two tables. Directly we cannot join. We should give certain conditions. So you have to write the query like this. So now let's understand how this query will be executed. First, from clause always will be executed, right? So from table 1, so table 1 will be targeted, comma table 2. So complete table 2 will be targeted. Then where clause will be executed. So in where clause we have mentioned table 1 dot B. So table 1's B column got targeted is equal to table 2 dot B. So table 2's B column targeted. Now how it works? See like this. First it will check is 2 equal to 4? No. Is 2 equal to 3? No. Is 2 equal to 8? No. Is 4 equal to 4? Yes. So you have mentioned select everything. So it will select everything from table 1 and it will select everything from table 2 wherever matching happened. So these are the matching rows it will return. So in the output you will get it like this. This is the output. Okay. In the similar way it will continue. Okay, so now it will check is 4 matching with 3? No. Is 4 matching with 8? No. Is 6 matching with 4? No. 6 matching with 3? No. 6 matching with 8? No. So next value is now 8. Is 8 matching with 4? No. Is 8 matching with 3? No. Is 8 matching with the 8? Yes. So we got output over here. See, from table 1's dot all columns, table 2 dot all columns. So condition you have mentioned table 1 dot B means this column equal to table 2 dot B. So it will check is 2 matching with 4, 3, 8. Is 4 matching with 4, 3, 8. So value from table 1 from B column, it will try to match with each of the value from table 2's B column. As we have seen just now. One more time I'll show you how it works. This is your query. So it will target both the columns and it will start matching the values because you have mentioned table 1 dot B. Table 1 dot B. Inside this multiple values are present. So one by one it will match with table 2 dot B. So 2 is equal to 4 like this. And wherever matching records are there, that will be returned like this. You have mentioned everything, so everything got returned. In the similar way, it will continue checking for next values. Wherever matching happened, that will be returned to you. So this is the definition of your equijoin. Okay. An equijoin is a type of join that combines rows from two or more tables based on the common or related column between them. So what is the related column over here? Column B. Do remember this. Okay. As of now, we are just exploring how this joins works. That's all. In the next part, we will discuss about the problem statements, okay? Actual real world scenarios, we will take it, okay? So you can go through this definition in the notes. Of course, I am going to provide everything, okay? If my video is a problem over here to read the definition, let me move myself over here, okay? Yeah. So I hope you are able to read the definition. The join condition is established by the equality of values in the specified columns. Okay, too technical, this second point is, right? So in easiest way, you can remember, EQUI returns matching columns based on this condition. Okay, matching rows, sorry, not matching columns, matching rows. So from this B column of table A, what in all the matching records are there for B column of table 2? You can check only matching rows you got it in your output. Okay. So that's all about your EQUI. And this is the syntax. Table 1, comma, table 2, comma you have to mention. After that, where clause. Okay. I hope I am clear with this. So now let's move towards the second type of join, which is nothing but inner join. Okay. So as usual, we'll take one question first. We have to write a query to perform inner join on table 1 and table 2. Okay, where are the tables? These are the tables. So now whenever we are performing the joins, we have to select the common columns. So here also we are going to select the common columns as a B. Okay, how to select the common columns? We will discuss about it later. As of now, focus on this B. And let's say I have written the one query like this. Select all the columns from table 1 and table 2 both. Inner join means join table 1 and table 2 both. But what is the condition? Table 1 dot B. Okay, table 1 dot B must be equal to table 2 dot B. Your inner join is exactly equal to your EQUI join. Both are exactly same. Only and only syntax is different. How we write the inner EQUI join query? Select everything from table 1, comma table 2. Where clause we use to give the condition, right? But here what we have used? On we have used, this on. Okay, do remember. Now what will happen? Same process. First it will check table 1 dot B. Table 1 dot B means first value 2. So 2 will be compared with all other values from table 2 dot B. So it will also return matching records. It is not matching anywhere. Leave it. Check is 4 matching somewhere in table 2 dot B? Yes. So return all the columns from table 1 and table 2 wherever matching happened. Matching records will be returned. Do remember this. Okay. In the similar way, is 4 matching with 3? No. Is 4 matching with 8? No. Is 6 matching with 4, 3, 8? No. So non-matching records. Is 8 matching with 4, 3 or 8? Yes. Matching record. So as soon as it will find the matching record, all the columns you have mentioned asterisk. So all the columns from table 1 and table 2 will be returned in your output. You can check 7881, 7881, 3441. Okay. So this is your output. And what is your definition of inner join? This one. And inner join is same like your EQUI join. And what inner join returns? Inner join returns matching records based on this condition. You can check whatever the output we got it in case of EQUI join. If I go back, it was same. Okay. Whatever we have learned in inner join. This is how inner join works. Okay. I hope I am clear with this. Now the next type of join is natural join. Okay. So we have to write a query to perform natural join on table 1 and table 2. Syntax we are learning, guys. That's all. This is the syntax of inner join. Table 1, inner join, table 2. On we have to use, then give the condition. In EQUI join, table 1, comma, table 2, where we have to use and then give the condition. But when it comes to natural join, in the name itself, meaning is there. Naturally, tables will be joined without providing any condition like this. This is your query. You have mentioned select all the columns from table 1 and table 2. Join table 1 and table 2 and give me all columns from both the tables. This is what we have mentioned. But joins will happen based on what condition? Where it will check matching records. So that will be automatically decided by your SQL, by your database software. Okay, it will decide based on column names. Okay, what are the common columns between two tables? Check. Is A column present in table 2? No. Is C column present in table 1? No. So B is the common column between two tables. So joins will be performed based on this B column. So same process again. Is 2 matching with 4? No. Is 2 matching with 3? No. No. 4 matched with 4. So wherever matching records, it will find out based on common columns. Then you have mentioned all the columns from both the table. So it will take 3, 4, 4, 1. But in output, you can check B column is duplicate. In the previous case, if you check here, B column was duplicate, right? In the output, you can check 4, 4, 8, 8. So that duplicate rows will be removed with the help of your natural join. Natural join is not preferred type of join because automatically it will decide based on what common columns it has to perform the join by checking the column names. In table 1 B is present, in table 2 also B is present. So let's consider B and perform join. Okay, this is how natural join works. Now it will continue checking. For 6 also there is no matching record. For 8, is there any matching record in table 2? Yes. So that will be considered in your output like this. So duplicate records are not present in natural join. Do remember this. Okay. So you can go through these points. Okay. In MySQL, I have mentioned over here, but these joins work similar across multiple databases in SQLite, in MySQL, Oracle. Okay, they works in similar way. So now it's time to move towards next type of join, which is nothing but left join, or you can call it as a left outer join. Both are fine. Okay, so let's start. This is the query. This is the syntax of writing left join. Okay, let's see. Select all the columns from two tables, table 1 and table 2. So we have to join table 1 and table 2 and get all the columns. But to perform joins, we need a condition, common columns. So here the common columns which we have used is B. Okay. So table 1 dot B must be equal to table 2 dot B. Same matching records it will return. It will check table 1 dot B means this complete column is 2 matching with 4, is 2 matching with 3. It will return matching records. But here if you carefully observe, table 1 left join I have mentioned, not inner join or EQUI join. So what will happen? Who is the left side table? See, left join I have written over here. So left side table is table 1. Right side table is table 2. So basically what left join does, it will return first matching records from both the tables and non-matching records from left table, means table 1. Now what does it mean? See, matching record means it will target the common columns first. Okay, as per condition, table 1 dot B equal to table 2 dot B. So B column it will target from table 1, table 2. Okay. Now it will check, is 2 matching with 4? Matching records means what? We have to check each value. Is 2 matching with 3? No. Is 2 matching with 8? No. Is 4 matching with 4? Yes. So this is matching record. Display in the output like this. Okay, let me drag myself over here. Yeah. In the similar way, is 4 matching anywhere else? No. Is 6 matching anywhere? No. Is 8 matching anywhere? Yes. In the output, you can check. I got 7, 8, 8, 1. So all columns you have mentioned. So wherever matching records are there, all columns from both the table, I got it. Okay. Now you only check carefully. From table 1, from this B column of table 1, do we have any matching for 2 in table 2's dot B? No, we don't have any matching value for 2. We don't have any matching value for 6 in this table 2 dot B. You can check over here. So these are the non-matching rows from left side table, and in output it will be returned like this. Okay, so basically left join means return the matching records and non-matching records from the left table. So basically in left table, how many rows we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in output, I want all rows from my left table. All rows. I don't care whether matching is present in right table or not as per this condition. So in that case, you have to go with left table. And in right side table, it will add null, 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 because we don't have any matching for 2 and 6 in table 2.b. So this is the definition of your left join. Left join is a type of join where all the matching records will be returned based on condition, and all the non-matching records from left table will be returned in your output. I hope I am clear with this. Now let's move towards the right join. Okay, now what is right join? Let's understand. This is how we write the query for right join. So here I am performing join between two tables. What type of join? Check here. Select all the columns from table 1 and table 2. Okay. In between table 1, table 2, I have mentioned right join. So right join will be performed. What is the condition? Table 1 dot B and table 2 dot B. These are the common columns. So now based on your condition, it will start matching table 1 dot B. Is it equal to table 2 dot B? No. Check the next record. No. Check the next record. No. Check the next record again. 4 got matched with 4. So you have mentioned all columns from table 1. Means this A and B, means this 3, 4 and 4, 1 will be displayed in the output like this. In the similar way, check for other records as well, like this. 8 will match with 8 and in output we got it like this. Now check who is the right side table. Right join I have written over here table 1, right join table 2. So table 2 is present at right side in this query. Okay, wherever we have mentioned right join, check the right side is table 2. So in table 2, if you carefully observe, for 4, we found one match in table 1. For 3, we don't have any match in table 1.b. For 8, we have a match in table 1.b. So what are the non-matching records from table 2? This is the non-matching row from table 2. So in output, you will get it over here 3 and 1 for table 2, and in table 1 you will get null, null. Means for table 1 there is no matching record, so you will get null. So how you will define right join? Right join is the process of joining two or more tables, and it returns all the matching records and non-matching records from right table. This is how you have to define your right join. You can call it as a right join or right outer join. I hope I'm clear with this. Okay. So now next type of join is full join or full outer join. Let's understand about this. Like this, we will be writing our query. Okay. Select all the columns. Okay. From table 1. Table 1 is present over here. I have mentioned full join table 2. Okay. What is the condition? Table 1.b is equal to table 2.b. So first it will return matching records based on condition. What are the matching records? 4 got matched with 4. Okay. Okay. 8 got matched with 8. Okay. So now from table 1.b, what are the non-matching records? See, do we have any match for 2 in table 2.b? No. So from left side table, this is the non-matching record, correct? That will be added in your output like this. Not only to that, from right side table, means this table 2, what are the non-matching rows? For 4, yes, there is one match. For 8, yes, there is one match. What about 3? There is no match. So 3 also will be added in your output. Full join means return matching records and non-matching records from right and left table both. So first we got matching records, then non-matching records from left and right table both. Order of these rows doesn't matter. Do remember this. If I display null 3 1 at the top, nothing will happen. It doesn't change the meaning of our data. Okay, do remember. So don't worry about order of rows and order of columns. Okay. So how you will define full join? Full join is the process of joining two or more tables based on condition, and it returns matching records and non-matching records from left and right table both. Okay, do remember this. So the next type of join, very important, is nothing but cross join. So we usually write the query for cross join like this. Cross join doesn't need any condition. Okay, cross join means what? See, as we have not written anything over here like condition, so it will check table 1. Okay, this is table 1. Cross join table 2. Okay, then what will happen? First, it will check this 2. It will match with 4, 3 and 8. Basically, it won't target 2 only. It will target the complete row, first row, 1, 2, these values. And it will combine this with all the 3 rows of table 2 like this. You can check it out here. 1, 2. This first row of table 1 will be combined with each row of table 2. So you can check first row of table 1, 1, 2. First row of table 2. First row of table 1. Second row of table 2. First row of table 1. Third row of table 2. Now in the similar way, second row of table 1 will be matched with first row of table 2, second row of table 2 and third row of table 2, and like this you will be getting your output. Let me move myself over here again. In the similar way, third row of table 1 will be matched with first, second and third row of table 2 like this. This is what exactly we call it as a cross join. Okay, so what is cross join? This is the definition of cross join. Okay. Cross join in SQL is a type of join that produces the Cartesian product of two tables. So how many rows we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 rows we got. How 12 rows? You can check 1, 2, 3, 4 rows are present in table 1. 3 rows are present in table 2. So 4 multiplied by 3. 12, correct, right? So that's why we have mentioned Cartesian product of two tables. Okay, it combines each row from first table with every row of second table. Now, if you are thinking, ma'am, when to use this cross join, we will discuss about it in the upcoming sessions. Okay, so this is how cross join works. I hope I am clear with the different types of joins, whatever we have discussed till now. Okay. So now the next type of join is the self join. In the name itself, meaning is there. Self join means only one single table is present. We are going to perform join by using that one table. So basically internally one copy will be created for that table. Self join, we will perform join of that table with that table only. Self join is little critical to understand, but once we explore the real world example of self join, there you will get clarity. Okay. So now let's say I have written one query like this. Now these are the column aliases I have used. Select T3. This is the table alias for table 3. You can check over here. Table 3 is the name. Alias I have used T3. So I have mentioned select T3.A. Okay. From which table? Table 3. T3. Again I have mentioned comma table 3 TA3. So for same table, two names I have given. One is T3, next is TA3. Okay, one is original name, next is nickname you can consider. Okay, so I am combining T3 with the TA3. Both are actually same table. Correct, right? What is the condition? Basically, it is EQUI join only. Okay, what is the condition? Condition is T3.A, T3.A must match with T3.B. So it will check T3.A. Is it matching with T3.B? Yes. Is it matching anywhere else? No. is T3 dot A matching with T3 dot B. So like this matching will happen. Okay. Yeah, that's what we call it as a self join. So self join is basically not different type of join. Whenever you are performing right join, left join, equi join or inner join or cross join on one single table, that's what we call it as a self join. You can check over here. I have performed join on table 3. Which type of join it is? Equi join only. But if you check carefully, this is the syntax of equijoin, right? Table 3, comma, table 3 I have mentioned. So if you are mentioning same column name, that's what we call it as a self join. If you mention table 3, inner join table 3, that is also self join. So whenever you are performing any type of join like inner join, equi join, inner join, left join, right join on one single table, that's called as self join. Okay, so basically joins is the process of joining two or more table definition we have learned, right? But single table also can be involved in the process of joins. Do remember, okay? You will get crystal clarity in the next session once you solve the problems based on this joins topic, okay? Do remember this. So this is your inner join. Matching records it will return, correct, right? This is your left join. Matching records plus non-matching records from left table. This is your right join. Matching records and non-matching records from right table. This is your full join. Matching records and non-matching records from left and right table both. Okay. Next, self join. Any type of join when you are performing on the same table, that's called as self join. Okay. So these are the different types of joins we have covered into our today's session. Okay. So you will be getting the complete notes in the description. Just get it from there. And before coming to the part 2 of joins, make sure you have revised everything, whatever we have discussed into our today's session. Then only you will come for the next session. Okay. So this is all about our today's session. We'll meet in the next session. Until then, take care all of you and wish you all the best to all. Thank you.